So in this first, we'll see how to read a drawing. So basically we need to consider first geometries. So what are the geometries over here? So first one is, if you see here, it is a cylinder, which is, if you see in the 2D form, it is a circle. Then second, if you see the front view, it is of rectangle and combination of inclined lines and arc. And if you see the top view, purely it is a rectangle. See, it is a cuboid or rectangle in 2D. So we'll compare this and here. So from here, 40 is its width in the top view. Then the length is from here. So it's 50 plus 50 plus 20. So 120 is its width. So the second geometry is its rectangle. So what we are going to do here is, so we'll draw in the, if we take the front view, we'll draw 8 mm and a 120 mm rectangle like this. We'll draw this rectangle and we'll extend it. So we'll extend it to the length of 40 mm. We'll extrude it like 140 mm like this. So now if we do this, we'll pad it up to 140. So we'll get this rectangle. So next thing is that combinations of lines and arc here. So let me see here, where is the combination of lines and arcs? So see, this is a line, which is an inclined line like this. Then we have an arc here. Then again, we have an inclined line. So we have one more profile like this. So if you see this profile combination and see its pad length. So it's 3D. So its length is, here he has given. So this is this. In the top view, it shows like this. If you see the top view, this and this. So here arc will also come, this arc and these two lines. From the center up to here arc, then remaining is line. So its length he has not given, but we'll calculate. Here this side 8 mm, this side 8 mm. So total is 16 mm. So this total is 40 mm. So 40 minus 16. So this could be its pad length. So here we'll give 40 minus 16. So in this way we are going to read the drawings. So first you need to read the geometries, then locations. So let me erase. So now we will see these things. So geometry, cylinder, cuboid and combinations. Then we need to see the location also. So this cylinder is located on the front. This is front view and this is top view. So in the front view, this cylinder is located. We'll draw the front on this. We'll see the front view. Front plane we will take. Then next cuboid, rectangle. Rectangle, if you take this, we need to select the front plane, 8 mm and its width. Then if you take the top view, then we need to select the top plane, top view plane. Then we need to select this 40 and this. Then we need to pad it in the front like 8 mm, the top in the 8 mm. So next is this geometry. So combinations. So this geometry, which is already placed in the front, I take in the front view, then I'll make like this shape, then I'll extrude it in front and back to this limit. So let me draw it in the Catia. So here first I'll draw the cylinder which is located on the front plane. I take this cylinder. I go to the positioning sketch, select the front plane, this, then projection point as this. Yeah, the thing is that sketch is coming in the part body, so this is not a right approach. I'll cancel it. Sketches supposed to draw in the this geometrical set. So the name is sketches. To draw all the sketches here, what I need to do is right click on this, then you have to go define in work object. So now underline is this. So whatever I draw, that comes under geometrical set. See, the sketch is coming now here. Then projection point as this. So C, H and V are correctly located. Then let me draw the circle first. So two circles, so 40 and 20. I'll click the center point. I'll go to the radius and I'll change it here. So 40 is its diameter. I need to convert 40 into radius. So 40 divided by 2, I make it. Then I take one more circle. I locate the center point first, then see it's 20 mm. So I'll go to the radius. Actually 20 is its diameter. So now I need a radius. So half of the diameter. Now later I'll convert this to double click and make it diameter. Here also double click, make it diameter. Exit the workbench. Now we will see the top view as we need to extrude it. So I'll give the pad. Now we will see the top view and observe here. So cylinder is here. Match it this line and this line. From the top this much. So the distance is 40 plus here 12 mm and this side 12 mm, right? So now let me give the distance of the part 40 plus 12 mm and 12. Give preview. So it's coming only one side. So I need this side half, this side half. So what I do here is 64 divided by 2. So 32. I'll give mirror extent. This side half I need. Yeah. Now see from the plane, this side half and this side half. So first geometry I have drawn here. So which is cylinder. Then we'll draw the second geometry which is cuboid. For this you can refer front or you can refer any plane. If you want you can take front or else you can take a top plane also. So we'll go with the next which is cuboid rectangle. So I'll take front plane only 8 mm and the width. So before going here, what I need to do is I need to right click on the sketches, define in work object. So go to the positioning sketch, then give plane, then projection point, then give over here. So next we'll go with the next geometry which is cuboid. So I choose the this plane only. Then projection point, I'll give OK here. So the rectangle I take, which is center rectangle, Roughly I'll locate the point here, center. Then I'll draw like this. Now we'll give the dimensions. So which is 8 mm, this height. So from here 8 mm, and now we'll see the width. So the total width is 50 plus 50, 100, this side 10 and this side 10. So total which is 120 mm. I'll give 120. Now we have fixed the size. Now we will locate it, fix the location. So the location from here is vertical, it is 22 mm from this line. So from this line it is 22. I'll give from the center point to this line is 22 mm. I'll fix it over here. Yeah. So now we'll check ISO constraint. So exit the workbench. Now we will pad it. So cuboid or rectangle. So what is the pad length? So this you match it here. When you match it here, this line to this line, it is exactly matching. So the length is 40 mm. We need to give 40 pad length. So let me give it the 40. Go to the pad. So what I do is 40 by 2 I take because I'll give the mirror extent. Here 20 mm and there 20 mm. Give preview. So give OK. So it's 20 mm. So second geometry is over. So next is combination line and arc. So this is my next geometry, which is line and arc. So this is the arc. So again, I'll go to the geometrical set. I'll define in work object. So let me hide for the time being. Let me hide this geometry. So now let me take the circle. So this is a circle. So the radius is, the diameter is 140. I take the circle of 140 diameter. Click here. Then give the dimensions of 140 mm. Sorry, 40 mm. So now next is its location. So now let me define, let me give the location, let me unhide the part board here. Yeah. So I have to take one line over here. So what I do here is I go to the project into 3D elements. So the command is here which converts 3D edges into 2D edges. This command project into 3D elements. I'll click on this command now. So I need this edge. Then it converted 3D into 2D edge. So now what I do is I isolate it. Right click on this edge and click here and isolate. So now I have converted that into a white line. So let me hide the part body. So let me fix this line, which is 22 mm below from here. Now check, it is under constraint, right? So what I do is this point and this point are about a low symmetry line about this axis. Now you can check it. Yeah, still it is under constraint because we have not mentioned its length. So now I'm going to mention it. Yeah, it is iso constraint. So next what I do is here. So this is just for the reference, or else you can keep this for the reference for the time being. So now let me take one line from here and which is tangent. So I'll give like this, which is a standard line. I'll turn it off this. Okay, so I'll give okay. Okay. So now we'll fix from here to here the distance is 20 mm. Now we'll crop this line, extra line. Okay, now we'll check once. It is isoconstraint. So what I do here, I make mirror this line this side. So now I'll connect these two lines using a standard line from here to here. So now we have got this geometry, right? But here I need to trim this. So see here once. So combination of line and arc, we have drawn it. So now I'll exit the workbench. So I unhide the part body. Then we will give this. So I have drawn this profile in the front view, but we need to know how much pad I have to give. So you can compare this and here. So this is exactly coinciding with this top view here. So this much we need to, this is the limit. This is the pad length we need to keep. So total is 40, 40 minus 8 and this side 8. So let me pad it. Select the sketch. So 40 minus 8 plus 8, 16. Give preview. So I need not one side from the center, this side half, this side half. So what I do, 24 divided by 2, I make it. Then I need both side half. I'll give mirror extent, say, give preview and give OK. So now we have got this. So actually we have a, in the center, we have a hole. We need to make that. So for that, what I do is here now, I'll go to the pocket and I right click on this and I'll go to the create extract. Now I'll select this circle, then give OK. Then I'll give the mirror extent and let me give like anyhow we are cutting it. You can take 200 and give. So we have removed the inside portion. Now let me compare with all the views, front view, top view and side view. Only two views will now compare. I'll go with the front view. See here, front view exactly matching with this. Circle we have. Here also we have two circles and this line and inclined there. Right. So then this rectangle line and this here. So yeah, front view is matching perfectly. Then we will see the top view. So we'll see the top view. Here two holes are missing. We'll draw it now here. Then accept this. So this line is matching. This line is matching. And this line is matching with this line. So we'll see this line. This is matching. So here also this is matching. So now we will draw the holes. I go to the hole option now. So I'll draw it here. So the diameter of the hole is 10 mm. Up to last I'll take here. So now we need to make ISO constraint. I'll go to the sketch here. So now let me give the location. This hole is 10 mm from this axis. From this line to here is 10 mm. Give 10. And then it is from the horizontal axis, it is 20 mm. Total is 40. The hole is coming exactly on the center. So 40 by 2, which is 20. You have to check for the hole also. You have to check this sketch solving status. Now I'll give exit. Give OK. So now we have got the hole. Now I'll go to the mirror command and I'll make it mirror. Go to the insert, transformation features. So here, go to the mirror. So now select the hole. Then select the axis or select the plane. Here I have hidden all the planes. Let me unhide it. So select this plane and give OK. In this way, you can draw this.